Good morning, everyone. How is everyone today? Well, last night I decided to go to my local Goodwill, and they had tools out again. So, this is my Goodwill tool haul. The set here was $9. This was $9. That was $6. This is Husky USA. And then I have a Craftsman G Series. And an unknown. I have no maker's mark, nothing on this socket. See if it'll focus for me. But it's just got a knurling on here. That's it. No marking or anything. The other little set here has got some forceps, pair of strippers. What drew me to the bag was the vintage Craftsman torque set, or torque screwdrivers. And then other set, got an old square, an X-Acto saw, a Eclipse pad handle. I don't know what this would have went to at all. If anyone knows, just leave it in the comments, because I have no idea. It went to a saw, what it went to. And the same goes for this that was in the bag. I don't know if it was originally went to a piece of machinery, what it did, but it was in the bag with the tools. Got a couple little pry tools. Wildly. And it says, I think, Kona, USA. Little pry tool. There's another one. I don't know if it's going to pick it up or not. Yeah. Old Forge. Made in USA. And then another pry with a little pick on the end tool. The old square. It's a red diamond. Probably clean this up a little bit. Get the brass pins showing again. And hanging on the wall. Well, that was it for the little tool haul. I try to go to the Goodwill a couple times a week to see what goodies they might have. Also last night I did stop at the Harbor Freight dumpsters. I got some metal shelving for scrap, a big black tarp, a broken winch puller, and another little tarp over there. But that was it for the Harbor Freight dumpster. Well, thank you everyone for watching. And like I said before, if anyone knows what this handle would have went to, this Eclipse pad handle, I'm just curious. Thank you.